Hey guys! Ew. So as you can see, I'm finishing up my faux locks and I wanted to show you how I've been doing them. Before that, let me just tell you what I got. So I got this hair off of Amazon and it is 20-inch goddess locks by Free. I don't know. I don't know. But I got it because it was like 30 bucks and it comes with 6 packs. It also came with a crochet needle or crochet hook and a cute little, or a few little clamps, although I have my own just from Sally's. I got it in color 2, which is pretty dark. I was debating between 2 and 4. 4 is more of my natural color, but I did kind of want it dark, so I guess this is fine. My hair is long, and so it actually doesn't fit in these. So it's hanging out on a lot of them, and I'm trying to like twist my hair at the bottom with it. So anyways, if you have shorter hair, these would definitely work better for you. If you have longer hair, I would not recommend getting these ones, but I was not able to find longer than 20-inch ones. I did see some 22-inch ones, but not ones that I wanted to buy. So if anyone's found longer ones, let me know. The other thing is why I wouldn't recommend these is because these would be super cute for crochet braids, and even though I'm using a crochet hook, these aren't technically crochet braids or faux dreads. These are individuals, and so these are so small that you don't have much room to get your real hair through the middle, but there are some that are thicker, so I would go with those ones. Okay, so let me just show you how I've been doing these. So I have my last, I don't know, 8 or so here. And so basically I just make parts, and I haven't been concerned about making them even because I like them to look messy. Like, these are supposed to be dreads. You don't want super clean dreads. And again, since you want these kind of like natural, if it is a protective style, you really don't want to be pulling too tight, but I'm not using any edge control to put my braid in. I'm just doing like a loose braid. My hair does have product in it though, because I washed and deep conditioned and blow dried it, and I put product in it. Yo, these neighborhood kids are loud. So just starting the braid. And then I just leave like a little bit at the end. So these are the shortest pieces of my hair because I had my hair shaved a few years ago. And this is the growth back from that. But all the rest of my hair is too long for these. So I'm just going to do that all along the front. Like I said, I think I'm going to do 8. So I'll do that and then come back. Okay, so I'm back. Sorry, it's like really, the lighting's really weird. The sun's setting. So I got these last few braids done, and I'll show you how to put the hair in. So you take your crochet hook with it open, and then you will insert it into the base of the braid, and I do it from the back side to the front side. So you just stick it on through. So now it's showing. Then you'll take your hair, and there's a little loop. You'll put that loop on the hook, close the hook, and then pull it through the hair. Just like that. Take it off the hook. Then with your fingers, you're gonna put them in the loop, and you're gonna grab the hair and your real hair, the braid, and put them straight through that loop, and then pull tight. And I usually pull on the fake hair to pull it tight. And then I'm just wrapping it around my hair. So you're wrapping the faux dread. As you wrap, if you can see this, I kind of open it, wrap, open it, wrap, and then it kind of just twists itself back around. Open it, wrap. I just do that all the way down. Open it, wrap, And then at the bottoms, I'm putting some of the Obia Natural Twist Whip butter. Just a little bit at the bottoms to seal my ends. And these ones do have the curly part at the bottom, which I really like. I think makes them look very natural, but that's also why the 20-inch doesn't work, because if I had a 20-inch that was all dread, I could continue to wrap it here. But since my hair would have to end there, that's why it's not working, except for these few where my hair was shaved and I have short pieces. So that's it, and then I'll go again. Last one. In from the back side to the front with the hook open. Put the loop onto the crochet hook. Close the hook. Pull the hair through. Take the hook off. Use your thumb and your pointer finger inside the loop. Grab the hair and your real hair, the braid, and put them both through. And then tighten by pulling on the fake hair. And open and twist. Open and twist, and I'm just switching hands. Open, and then I go to my left hand and twist. Open with my right hand and twist. All the way down. Boom. And I'm done. And then you can just put the clamps in as you want. I already put some few random pieces in, or like if little pieces are sticking out, you can clamp it there. I'll probably put a few more in. I won't use too many of them. But this is the finished look. I think it's super cute. Faux dreads, and they'll fall some. I literally obviously just finished, so they're little, but the hair's really light, like you barely feel it on your head. But they'll fall some, and as I sleep on it with them wrapped, they'll lay a little bit better. So yeah, I hope this was helpful if you try to do it on your own. It's a super easy hairstyle, just time consuming depending on how big or small they're gonna be. And again, get hair that has some room, maybe more like a faux dread that's like thicker, that has some room to work with. These are very small. So let me show you what it looks like half up. So this is what I'll probably be wearing it like most of the time. You know, half up, half down, cute little messy bun, or just keep it in a ponytail at the top, which I will probably do a lot of the time as well. So there's half up, half down with a ponytail. It's cute as well.